Our Simpson Ezisets 800 washing machine has no power or lights on. Is there a reset button on this machine? Thank you.
Hello and thank you for your question. I will be assisting you with your inquiry today. There is unfortunately no reset button on your washing machine. However, in saying that, a lot of the Ezisets incorporated an inline fuse on top of the electronic controller. Open up the control panel and check to see if yours has this feature. It varies across the different model ranges of the Ezisets. Also check the power button behind the panel using a multimeter. They can clap out as well. What is the full model number please on the left-hand rear side of the controller? I can look up and find the part for you if this is what you will require.
The model No is 22S800, serial number 44,580,189.
Here is the fuse I am talking about. http://spares.bigwarehouseau.com.au/product_info.php. CPath equals 64677_77113_77278 and products_it equals 1582044 and here is the power switch. Check yours by disconnecting the two wires at the rear of the switch and joining them direct using a piggyback wire connector. http://spares.bigwarehouseau.com.au/product_info.php. CPath equals 64677_77113_77278 and products_it equals 1581812. If it turns out to be neither of these two items, the electronic controller has blown up and will require replacing.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.